Yes, that's exactly what I wanted. I'm so curious what it would look like to have a little bit of a stronger line. I'm gonna take my thin angled brush and run it along my black pencil, and let's do something funky. It never goes as good on the left side, but that's what a smudge brush is for. I'm gonna keep going. I have a nude pencil from NYX. Am I starting to look crazy? Quite possibly. Some lashes there would look so good. I'm gonna go into a silver and be very careful not to mess it up. I've done my eye makeup so backwards today, but I don't care. I'm having so much fun. I turned down the lights so you could see what this looks like if you were to go out with the girls for an evening out or on a date. I hope this gives you inspiration, and I will see you later. Bye.